Hello there, welcome to my channel. I'm Ayomito Andeswa and I'm so excited to have you here. So if you're passionate about this analysis or you're just starting out and you need a deep dive into the world of data, you are at the right place. Welcome back. So this channel is all about making data analysis accessible to everyone, from beginners who are just getting started to experts who are looking to refine their skills. So whether you are here to learn how to analyze data for your job, to haze that your upcoming projects, or even start a side hustle as a data analyst, we're going to discuss everything here. And it doesn't stop there. I'll also be guiding you through the process of building a portfolio that can get you your dream job. So what are the things to expect on this channel? You should expect a step-by-step tutorials on popular tools like Excel, Python, SPSS, SQL, and Tableau. You should expect tips and tricks to make your data analysis more efficient and insightful. You should also expect strategies for turning your data analysis skills into a profitable side hustle. So guys, if you are ready to unlock the power of data, build a portfolio that can get you your dream job, and to take your skills to the next level, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on your notifications. Trust me, you won't want to miss the upcoming contents.